Hello student, today we will learn to make a Java program to swap two numbers, and here we will be using various ways, in which the first one is we will be using a third variable to swap two numbers. In the second one we will not use any third variable, without using third variable. Then we will be using a function or method in Java class. Then we will be doing it by using an array, and we have got at the fifth number we will be using bitwise XOR, and the last one is by using Java collections. So these are the methods by which we can swap two numbers. So let us move to make a program for uh, one by one to the of these methods. So first one we will be doing by using third variable. So let us move to Eclipse, please. So here I'll create a class. Say this is, I'll go to new, and here I'll make a class. Say class name is swap, and let this be ticked and finish it. Now you can start here the first one by taking third variable. So I'll write here int a equal to 10, and the another one will be int b equal to 20. And now we can take another variable, that is, so we can print it first. So system dot out dot println, and here we can say before swapping. before swapping Before swapping, what we are getting the output of the value of these variables. So here I'll write here value of a is before swapping, keep in mind please. So I'll put here plus a, and in the next one I'll value of b. So b is value of b. Then after swapping, now I will take another variable, that is say t, and now this t variable will be assigned value of a, and a will be assigned value of b, and b will be assigned of value of t. So this way this swapping has been done by using third variable, and you can print the output. So here so now let us start it from here. So I'll write here, I'll declare one variable a equal to 10, another variable int b equal to 20, and then now I'll write here system dot out dot println, and here I'll write before swapping swapping value of a and b. So here I'll write system dot out dot println you can put println here as well, so that will be printed in the next line. Then here you can write value of a is, and here you can print value of a. Then in the very next one you can print value of b. Value of b is b. Now I have done I have printed the original values of a and b before swapping. Now we will swap them. So I'll take another variable, so that variable is t, and now t equal to a, and a equal to b, and b equal to t. So means with the help of t, the values of a and b has been swapped. Like assume if a is 10, that will be assigned to t, and then the value of b is being assigned to a. Now that means a will become your 20, and then b will become B will be assigned value of T was having 10, so B will become 10. So then we will print it again. So again I'll go here and I'll print it. So this is after swapping. After swapping. So here you can put value of A and value of B. So just run this program, see the output by, it is by, I'll put here the command please, by using third variable, So run this program and see the output. You can see the output please. Original values were value of A was 10, value of B is was 20, and after swapping the value has changed. So this was a very simple program of by using third variable. Now in the next one we will not use third variable, so by it will be without using third variable. In this one what we will do, again we will write the same thing, but this time we will not be using third variable. Leave it, and here what you can do, you can write A equal to, it will become A equal to A plus B, and A plus B, that means A has become 30. Now B equal to A minus B. What does that mean? A is 30 and B is here 20, so B has become 10. And now in the next one, A equal to, you can write now A is 30 and B is 10. So A is 30, B is 10. So A minus B. So then see the output of this program please. See the output of the program. This is by without using third variable. See here, this was the input 1020 and then 2010. Please try to understand this logic. Here A equal to A plus B means A has become now 30. 10 plus 20 will become 30. B equal to 30 minus 10. 30 minus 20. So B has become 10. In the last line, A equal to, A was 30. 30 minus B was 10. 30 minus 20. 30 minus 10 has become 20. So A has become 20, B has become 10. And this is the second method. Now let us go back. We have done the first one and second one, and now we will be doing the same one by using a method or function. So let us go back, and this time we will not do it this way. This time we will create a function. So I'll write here public void swap is a function, and in this one I will take two variables, say int x, int y, and I'll define it here in the function. And what I'll do, I will create object of this class now. Before, leave things as it is, and for the after part I'll change. So I'll create object of the class. My class is swap class. Swap ob equal to new swap. I have created object of the class, and now I'll be calling that method swap. I'll put it swap1 because otherwise it will become a constructor method. So I'll go by method. So I'll put it swap1, and I'll pass A and B to that. And once I have done, this time I'll not come down here, please leave this. I will print it there after, because I'm doing it by method. So leave everything as it is. The only thing is what you are doing it by x equal to, sorry, here I'll have to take variable t equal to x, and x equal to y, and y equal to t. So now changed, and you can you can print it. It is by method, so you can print here X and Y, and again run your program please. Run this program and see the output. Seeing this is value of A is 10, value of B is 20, and after swapping value of A has become 20, value of B has become 10. So this is the third one, and now this third one is done. Now we can do the same thing by using an array. So let us go back again. We will do it by array. So here come I'll write array. So let this array be now in this array I can use here. What I'll write arr 0 equal to x and arr 1 will become y. I'm doing that operation in array please. So here this time I'll return array, keep in mind, because I'll return array. Array has been returned, and then come down here, swap, you will be calling that. I'll take that array here as well, and I'll write it as same. Two variables here, and now when I'll get the value of this array by calling this function swap1, it is swap default, and now I'll call swap1, and then after this what I'll write after calling. So same value, this will be printed, done, and now A will be arr, this is 0, and B equal to arr 1. So we have changed this in the function, array has been changed, and then this array is being returned back. So when we have returned back this array, we can print it here now. So once we are doing this and run this program, oh, value is before swapping is correct, and this array has been passed there. So this array is being returned. So where I have written arr, I am not getting any value here. So arr equal to this. Now we will print it please. It has been done. So now before swapping array was this, and after swapping you can see the value has been changed, but this time this is returning an array. So this was the third way of doing it. Now we will do by using bitwise XOR. So this is another one which we can use for swapping two values. So now remove this part, you can remove this method. What will be value in bits? I'll write it 0011, and bit value of 4 is 0100. And now before printing value of A and B is this, and after printing, after swapping, I'll swap this. So what I'll write, A equal to A, I'll use bitwise operator. This is A, B. A bitwise caret sign, B, and how exactly this is doing, try to understand please. A is 0011 and B is 0 1 0 0. So when we will add, what will happen? 1 plus 0 will become 1, 1 plus 0 will become 1, 1 plus 0 will become 1. So what I'll get? I'll get 0 1 1 1, and this is equal to 7. This is equal to 7, and b equal to ampersand. So a has become 7, please keep in mind. So a caret sign b, and caret sign b, a is 7. Now add 0 1 0 0 to this. So 0 1, so this will be 0, so it will become 0 0 1 1. So b will become 3. B will become 3. How? Try to add this, please. 0 1 1 1 is 7, and we are adding this 0 1 0 0 to that. So what will happen? 1 plus 1 will become 0, and 0, I mean, we will be taking those values which were 1 and 0. I mean, both should not be same. In bitwise XOR operator, we always take those values where both are not same. Means it should not be 0 0, or it should not be 1 1. It should be 0 1 1 0, like that. So that you will have to keep in mind. Now b has been, we have got b as 3, and then here again I'll write a equal to a ampersand b. Now what value do we have of b? B is having 3 and a is having 7. So 7, b is having 3, means 0 1 1 is in b, and a is having 0 1 1 1. So 0 1 1 1 plus 0 0 1 1. So what will happen? See here, try to just see this part. What we have right now, we have a 0 1 1 1, and we are adding that to 0 0 1 1. So means this will be not taken, this will be not taken, only 1. So what we will be getting from here? 0 1 0 1 0 0, and that is your 4. That is equal to 4. So here this is the value of a. So a has become 4, b has become 3, and now just print it, run it, and save it. Then you can run it again. So clear this. I think we can see it by execution. Save it and then try to run this. So what I have wrong, I am getting here, public static void. Yes, so many errors. Why? This is correct. Println, it is okay, please. What's wrong? Let us run it and see the output. It's not taking swap. Where is swap? Oh, I have removed class name. Bad. Public class swap. Now I think everything is okay. One bracket must be less. Public class swap. Save it. What all? This bracket. Which one? Remove. Now all are okay. No, this is wrong. I'll have to remove it. Save it and then run it. So getting here, the original values were 3 and 4, and after having swapped, we are getting values 4 and 3, and the last one is left now. That is, we have done 1 to 5, and the last one is left, that is using Java collections. So let us move to here now. Java collections uses, we know in Java collections there are interfaces and classes, and this we will be doing by Java collections. So right here, using Java collections. So again we will do the same thing, but this time as we are doing it by Java collections, so you need to create an object of the class. So I'll do it by array list. Array list, I will take numbers or integer object, and I'll create object of array list, and then it will be new array list of numbers, and then object creation will be done. So here you need to import this, please. Here import array list from Java util. Done. And what's wrong with this? Let's just see this, what it is. First let us make it. Now we need to create some object, please. So what I'll write here, I have created object of the class, then I'll write ob.add method. I'll call it's add method, and in the add I will write some values, say 10. Another one, ob.add, I'll put it as 20. Here you will not be using any primitive data type, please keep in mind. Once I have done, then what I'll write, let us keep some more values here so that things will become easier to judge and to see the output. So here is 30 and it is 40, it is 50. I have added object, and now if I want to print this before swapping, let us print it first, please. Before swapping, value of, you can print it like this, and here you can print value of object ob. And once it has been done, after this now you need to swap it. So what you will do for swapping, you will write ob.swap and then swap. What you are doing, you are swapping this, sorry, it is not like this. Collection is a, I'll have to use collections dot swap, and what will be the member will be from ob, and ob means the list that we have given, and what we want to swap, I want to swap 10 with 20, so I will write 10 and 1. So this way this has been swapped, and now after swapping I would like to print it again. So after swapping I'll print it and see after swapping. After swapping. So you will see the value of what I'll say value of object, and here you can again write value of object like this. You will, when you will run it, see the output, please. Clear the earlier output and see the new output. Run it and see the, here is some problem, and that problem is cannot be resolved to a type. I think my syntax is array list, I have written correctly. Done, and save this. Now it is correct. So once I have done it, and then I'll run it, see the output, clear the output please, and then run it, then run Java applications. So now here you can see it is 10, 20 was the earlier value, and here it is 2010. So it means without using any primitive data type, you have swapped your two numbers. So like this you are through of all the ways of swapping two numbers, starting from by using third variable, without using third variable, using a method, using an array, using bitwise operator or XOR operator, and then using Java collections. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.